The Clarke JET8500 high-performance pressure washer is ideal for DIY and trade use on a wide variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. Featuring a powerful 2100-watt induction motor, the JET8500 produces an impressive flow rate of up to 7 litres per minute at a pressure of up to 180 bar or 2610 psi. The built-in auto stop saves electricity and increases pump life. It's ideal for vehicles, patios, stonework, cladding, fascias, boats, caravans and more. Blast away ground-in dirt from patios and pathways, remove algae from cladding or clean vehicles to a valet-grade finish. The JET8500 has large 160mm wheels and a fixed handle for easy maneuverability and weighs less than 20 kilos. Complete with a 5-meter high-pressure hose which is mounted on a convenient integral reel for tidy storage. The JET8500 also features a tough steel lance and is ready to go straight out of the box. For a range of Clarke accessories, including detergents, speak to your local Clarke stockist. With its conveniently located 1.4-litre integral detergent tank for extra cleaning power, high-pressure lance with adjustable nozzle from high, low to pencil jet and fan jet, the JET8500 is a truly versatile machine, perfect for any exterior cleaning job.